The project of upgrading and rebuilding the Al-Salt, Al-Arda road in Jordan, which is funded by the Chinese government, broke ground on Thursday. At the ceremony, Chinese ambassador to Jordan Chen Chuandong said the project would improve the road condition, boost logistics efficiency, and promote the development of tourism, industry and agriculture in Jordan.
这条路呢，年久失修了。那我们中国政府呢，主要出资，由我们中国的企业和约旦的企业共同来，承担这个升级改造的这个项目。可以说为当地呢，可以，不但是带来他们路况的改善，而且可以促进物流、促进交通，也改善当地的民生。那么中约建交45周年来啊，我们的双边关系不断地迈上新台阶，各个领域的合作和交流呢，也不断地广泛深入的发展。那么援助萨尔特这段公路的升级改造呢，是我们中约两国友谊的一个见证。
For his part, Jordanian Minister of Public Works and Housing Yahya Kasbi said the project, which is of great importance for Jordan, is a testimony of the solid relations between the two countries. The minister said the Jordanian government is keen on enhancing ties with China in all areas, stressing that the project will benefit many Jordanians, especially farmers in the Jordan Valley. The upgrading and rebuilding of the 12.5 kilometers long 4-lane road is expected to be finished in 18 months.